Welcome to my Just Learn on YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon button which you receive all new videos notification. The Wit English Workshop My English Book 8. Question number 1. Write down the rhyme scheme of stanza 1 to 3 and the last two stanzas. How does it differ in the remaining stanza 4 to 7? Answer. The rhyme scheme of the stanza 1 to 3 is A B A B A B A B A B A B. The rhyme scheme of the stanza 4 to 7 is A A B C C B A A B C C B and A B C C B. In the stanza 1 to 3 there are only 4 lines, whereas the remaining stanzas 4 to 7 there are 6 lines. The rhyme scheme of the above these stanza is also different. Question number 2. Write any 5 illnesses of the animal in the poem that you find most amusing, laughable. Then the answer is number 1. The lion has caught a cold. Number 2. The Arctic fox is suffering from heat. Number 3. The fever caused by virus attack the chimpanzees. Number 4. The panther has a wife who chews his ear. Number 5. The hyenas will not laugh at keeper's chalk. Question number 3a. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi, Marathi or your mother tongue. Answer is zebra, giraffe, chimpanzee, kangaroo. These are the English words. Number B. Translate the names of zoo animals given in the poem into your mother tongue. Answer. Cat, manzar, dog, kutra, horse, ghoda, parrot, popat, duck, badak, chicken, komri, lion, siha, zebra, centipede, ingri, hippo, pangoda, bison, rangawa, fox, kolla, tortoise, kasau, bear, aswal, cobra, nag, panther, cheetah, giraffe, hyena, lakadbagga, monkey, makad, rhino, genda, elephant, hatti, camel, unt, kangaroo, crocodile, magar. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming vets? Explain your response. Answer. The poet absolutely has no intention to discourage youth from becoming a vet. On the contrary, he wants to bring to their notice that the vet's work is very important for the animals who cannot express anything about their illnesses. He wants to suggest that vet's profession is noble and is more important than man's doctor. He also underlines the hard work it involves. Find out from a vet or from a website what precautions does a vet have to take when he or she is called to treat wild, dangerous animal. Make point-wise notes of the same. We can point-wise notes for the same. Precautions to be taken by a vet when he is called to treat wild, dangerous animal. Number 1. Restrain the animals properly. Number 2. Get help from the strong man before treatment or examination. Number 3. Wear personal protective equipment. Number 4. Securing animal safety can help you to avoid sprains, strains, slip and fall accidents and other physical injuries. 5. Take care to avoid blind spot and then approach animal slowly. 6. Animal can be somewhat unpredictable when they are under stress or in an unfamiliar surroundings. To be attentive and stay aware of the animal you are handling all the time. 7. Sudden movements are never a good idea. Talk to softly to it as you approach the animal. Take precautions of zoonotic disease like ringworm, herpes, rabies, etc. 9. Have an exit strategy in an emergency. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Just learn on.